Hey guys, welcome to the Princess. Today we're going to show you some easy and simple fire starters to make.
The first thing you're going to want to grab is an empty egg carton that you have sitting around because you think your chickens are going to lay more eggs, but they don't anymore. And then after that, go ahead and mosey on down to your dryer and grab a big old handful of that lint from that lint collection you got sitting above your dryer. The next thing you're going to want to grab is some of those mostly used candles you have laying around because you figure you might use them again one day, but let's be honest, you're not going to use those anymore. Alright, now we got all of our materials together. Let's go ahead and put those candles on the stove to get them started melting down and everything. And then go ahead and take your lint and start stuffing all those little egg carton holders. I like to put about a golf ball size of lint in each one of those holes there. And you should have something like this. Looks pretty good if you ask me. Then go ahead and grab your wax. Now it's nice and melted down. This is a little bit hot, so I recommend don't pick it up with your fingers. I'm just really tough. That's why I did. And then I like to go ahead and just pour all my waxes together just to help it be a little bit easier. And then go ahead and start pouring your wax on top of that lint there and let it soak into there. Make sure your lint is completely soaked with that wax. And then after it dries, go ahead and cut off any excess flaps or pieces you don't need. And all these little pieces here that are sticking up at the top, I like to cut those off too. And then go ahead and cut all those individual pieces apart, just like so. And there you have it. These are really easy to store. Just throw them in a Ziploc bag or a container to keep them dry. And then store them wherever you want to put them. I usually put mine next to all of our camping equipment. That way I have them on hand. So let's go ahead and give one of these guys a burn test here. These will give you about, on average, a 10 to 15 minute burn time. And if you need longer than a 10 to 15 minute burn time to get a simple campfire started, you're going to need a lot more help than these guys. So go ahead and make you some free fire starters and subscribe.